take a little break. I started a little bit before 10 o'clock this morning, and I don't want to lose that momentum if I can today, so I'm just going to keep on going. But I am going to take 15 minutes, going to get a drink, and then we're going to get started on hour 2. Look at my little squash. It's not a pumpkin, it's a squash, but I just couldn't resist it. It's like the way it sits, it has like its own little character and personality. I just love him. He's so cute. I haven't taken the label off yet. Yeah, an edible squash, but I will not be eating him. That's just out of the question. Look at him up there. Look how he sits. He's so cute. So we've got to a point in the story where the main character is about to expose something to her love interest. Something big, something that she's kept from him for a long while, since she's met him. And I genuinely feel really nervous. I think that's a good sign, to feel how your characters are going to feel. Obviously, I wrote it before in the first draft, but it's different this time around. It feels like I know them better this time around, and it feels like a much bigger deal. Wish me luck. We're in the final hour. The fourth hour. The fourth hour. Good morning, everybody. It is the 5th of October, and yesterday, 2,268 words. We love a sticker, right? We love a sticker. I'm going to use these ones, one of the smaller ones, because there's not much space now that I've stuck these stickers over here. And I'm going to save the cat ones for, 10 points, whoever gets that reference. I'm going to save the cat ones for the week that I do my night owl challenge, because those are the best stickers. But we're going to use maybe this little guy here, because you got to love a mushroom sticker. We're going to stick him here. Just there. Perfect. Now yesterday what I did was I didn't follow my schedule that I made for myself. I sort of did, I sort of didn't. I still did 4 hours. That's the main thing. And that's the main thing that I want to carry out throughout the weeks. I also found the Forest app isn't really for me. My screen on my tablet kept going black, and then I had to wake it up again to check how long I had left. And I found myself actually writing over the hour block into the next hour, although my timer hadn't started again, obviously. So I think we're gonna just skip the whole Forest app thing, because I'm writing over an hour anyway. So I'm gonna just keep a note the old-fashioned way, pen and paper. No, I still haven't found my pen. It's just vanished. It's just vanished, and I'm devastated. I don't want to have to buy another one. I can't believe I lost it. I'm sure I haven't lost it. I still think that my little one has something to do with it. So if you're watching this, Belle, I'm watching you. So yeah, today We're going to get back on it. 4 hours. Let's start the first hour. So the time is 1:48 and I've come to the end of chapter 34. It was such a chapter to write. Like, I feel like I'm tearing up just talking about it. It was the first chapter first time where they kind of admitted to each other in not so many words that they had feelings, or they have feelings for each other, which can't be acted upon. Like I said in yesterday's vlog, how when you can take on your character's feelings and you can understand how they're feeling, that's the whole goal, right? That's the goal, to feel like what your characters are feeling, so that you can make the readers feel that as well and have that connection. Fingers crossed. It's been a good writing session. Good morning, everyone. Slightly different background this morning. Same house, just a different room. We are in my living room. You can't see. If I lift you up, you might be able to see my mountains. I like to pretend I'm just like chilling in the mountains. Anyway, back to England. Yesterday was a good day. Not as great word count wise as the day before. I got to a total of 1,299, which is still fine. I wrote for 3 hours and 50 minutes, so I was 10 minutes short of 4 hours. I'm gonna gloss over that 10 minutes because I did actually read through the next chapter in the manuscript, so I'm going to count that as working on the book, as even though it wasn't writing, it was still part of the process, and I probably spent about 20 minutes on that, so technically I'm over 4 hours, technically. So I have like this table, ignore the kiddie stains on it. Yeah, so we're going to try writing here. I've got my ambient stuff on the telly. It's actually a really nice one. It's by The Alley of Ambience, and it's so peaceful, and I mean, I would love to be there right now. And you'll notice I have a couple of books here. So these 2 books are the books that I am trying to decide upon. I was officially currently reading The Night Circus, but before that I started Discovery of Witches. I watched Books with Chloe, and she absolutely loved this one, so I was like, okay, now I really want to read this one. So I'm torn because now I'm like, well, it's spooky season, surely Discovery of Witches is going to be more suitable, but then this is also kind of spooky. I don't know, I'm not sure, but they're down here for a reason, because I'm thinking there's a live stream tonight by, who's doing it? I think it was Abby Emmons. Yeah, so Abby Emmons is doing a live stream tonight, so I'm thinking to do that when she does it. So I'm in the UK, that will be at 8 o'clock, and I'm thinking that's going to be a good way to kind of ease myself into the whole nighttime writing, because obviously come the last week of October I'm going to have to get into that routine of writing at nighttime. no matter what. So I'm going to try and join that one tonight at 8 o'clock and write for at least 1 hour, which means I can have 1 hour during the day today to do some reading, because I'm finding my reading is lagging. That's not good. As a writer, you know, you can't stop reading as well. you've got to have the balance. So the plan today is to have 3 hours writing time. I'm going to start writing at 10, so I'm going to stop at 1 o'clock. I'm not sure which one. Help. That's the plan for Wednesday, the 5th of October. Hi, it's 1:30 and I should have stopped writing half an hour ago. I've been in the zone and I haven't been able to drag myself away. It hasn't been really a struggle to write this scene. The weird thing is I haven't planned this scene out. Like, I didn't do any planning in my book as I normally do. Partly to do with the fact that a lot of this scene I have managed to pull from my draft one. Not all of it, a lot of it's changed, but I was supposed to have stopped half an hour ago to read and I haven't. And now I'm at a predicament where I'm like, okay, do I just carry on writing now, reach my 4 hours, and then I can read tonight? Or do I stick to the plan? I don't know. I feel like I want to continue writing. Okay. I'm going to, I don't know. I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop this sprint tonight. I feel like I need it to practice my nighttime writing. Oh, I know I'm going to regret this at 8 o'clock tonight. I'm going to be sat there thinking, why did I do this to myself? Why did I do this to myself when I could have had this scene done? You know what? No, we won't. We're going to get this scene done tonight. And we're going to read. Which one do I go for? They're both monsters, to be fair, aren't they? It doesn't matter size-wise, you know, because they're both going to take some time. Why am I so bad at making decisions today? I say today, I am in general just not good at making decisions. I think we're going to go with this. Good morning. It is Thursday. Last night I missed the live, but that's okay because I still wrote. Long story short, my 2 little ones didn't sleep so well. So I ended up having my youngest in with me in the bed, and I took my laptop and wrote very quietly while he was sleeping. Obviously not going to film that. It made watching the live pretty impossible because it was going to be noisy. It doesn't work so well when you're trying to get a little one to sleep. So unfortunately I missed the live, but the main thing is we still got some writing done. So today's plan is to continue with chapter 35. There's been a lot of build up to this moment and this event that's happening. So it feels good to be writing it, and I feel, as I said earlier, like I know my characters a little bit better this time around. So that also helps because my villain is in this scene, and yeah, I definitely more excited this time around to write his dialogue. So let's get writing. Just to let you know, I did reach my 4-hour goal last night. Although obviously I didn't film it, but we did get to the 4 hours. So we're still on track with the hours this week. I forgot to say, I found my 2 main characters' song yesterday, and it's so beautiful. It fits them so well, and it's not so much that I found it, because it's one that I'd known, like I've heard it before and I love it, but it just clicked that it's their song, and it clicked when I was writing the scene from yesterday. When you find a song that fits your 2 main characters, it's such a nice feeling. It's like, yes, this is your song. Maybe I'll share it. Would you guys be interested? I don't know. Let me know. Chapter 35 is done. We're now on chapter 36, and I need to read through my draft because I've stopped the chapter mid chapter of the old draft. So I need to now work out the structure of chapter 36. I have a vague idea because I know what's coming up next, so I'm going to see if I can weave that into ending it just before the next big thing happens. So wish me luck. I would just like to add that I hope you all appreciate my Finding Nemo pen today, as I still haven't found my green fountain pen. So I've stolen my daughter's instead. Okay guys, it's the end of my writing time today on this fine, grey, dreary Thursday. It's almost time for me to go and collect the kids now. So I'm going to wrap up the vlog here. Wow, my tummy's rumbling. Sorry. I'm going to let you know how many words I got. So today I got 1,377 words, and I also reached the 4-hour goal. This week I've managed to stick to the 4-hour writing goal every day. So yeah, I'd say it's been a success. So tomorrow is Friday, so that means it is time to edit tomorrow. I won't be able to do any more writing tomorrow, I don't think, because it just takes me so long to edit these videos. I'm hoping with practice these things will happen faster, and then we will pick it up again on Monday. Sorry, Meryl's just eating my arm. What are you doing, Meryl? Yeah, so I'm hoping if the weather stays okay, I might attempt to take a day where I go somewhere and write, a cafe, or I don't know, anywhere anywhere other than my bedroom. The only thing about this cat, this lovely little sweetheart, is that she dribbles. She really dribbles. It's gross. I still love her. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day wherever you are and whatever you're up to. Hopefully I can get this up before the weekend and I can say have a great weekend. Enjoy the downtime if you have that chance to do so, and I shall see you next week. Okay guys, bye. That was awful. Bye.